You guys, silverGameOfThrones here. How are you doing today? Welcome back to my no bullshit channel. So today I want to talk about gold and silver, and I want to show you in charts. Again, it's not a TA, it's not a technical analysis, because I never play game how much silver will be today, tomorrow. I am middle to long term, okay? So I want to see where we are in this silver and gold bull market, and what is my expectation in the next 2-3 years. Okay, this is the pure speculation, guys. I want to see based on what we know, because we're humans, right? Based on Fibonacci, based on trend, based on the this bar patterns, okay? Because we behave the same. This is why I want to see what will happen with a high probability with gold and silver in the next 2-3 years. Okay, so stay with me and I will show you. Okay, so first of all, I am using IUUSD and the IGUSD. Okay, and I believe this is Forex. Okay, and Forex has history of something from 2000. It's good enough for me for next 10-15 years. Okay. Second, I am looking into next, usually, silver gold bull market usually 7 years, okay? This is more what smart hats are talking about, 5-7 years, okay? Let's assume we are in a bull market for 7 years, okay? So we started somewhere in 2016-18, 7 years, let's assume 2025. This is why I want to stop in 2025, okay? I want to see what will happen with gold silver up to 2025. And here I'm using three things. I'm using, trend is my friend, I'm using Fibonacci, and I'm using bar patterns, okay? So let me clean it for you and let me show you what I'm thinking. Okay, so I'm cleaning, and let's start. So first of all, I want to see the trend, which is my friend, right? So trend is my friend, okay? So trend, my friend, and I want to see, what are the most points like this, right? What happened? Why it doesn't move? Okay, so let me try again. Okay. So I want to correct a little bit. Yeah, something like this will be nice to have. Okay, so this is for gold. And you see, we have upcoming trend. Man, it's clear, the amount of currencies they are printing day and night, trillion and trillion. Go depth clocked and see. So it's clear that we have uptrend. So all this, what we have here, remind me, guys, I think we remind me this, okay? This is what I think we are now, okay? The bear trap, okay? The bear trap, okay? This is where we are now, here, okay? Here, okay? Let me mark it, okay? Let me mark it here, the bear trap. Why? Because we started to move and then we went down and it's despair zone, okay? Despair zone, no one believe. I was buying on 1600 and then when it went to 1700, I knew we are in the bottom. So I was buying on 1700. Watch my videos for gold. I was buying gold 1700. A lot of historical pieces. Anyway, okay, we are smart apes, okay? We don't care what talking heads are talking about. We know, we have analytic skills, so especially my channel. Okay, so this is first of all. Now, this is a trend. So we can see, okay, now let me put the vertical line somewhere in 2025. Yes, somewhere in the middle 27. Okay, so you see the upper, portion of this trend. Now I want to do a Fibonacci retracement from previous high to previous low. Okay, so I need Fibonacci and 3 lines. I want to make it clear, the 3 lines. Okay, what are the 3 lines? If you watch my channel, as in Fibonacci, it's all about P. So 1618, 2618 and 3618. This is the most strongest number, okay? If you don't know what Fibonacci, go learn it. Our universe all built on Fibonacci, okay? Because it's part of our universe. So these three levels, and as you see, these three levels are 2500, okay? The set is 350 and around 4100, okay? These are three levels for gold. Now, you know, again, we will reach this level, not when we will reach this level, I don't know. My prediction is a long term. This is what I'm looking about. The last I want to see is the bar patterns, and I want to take bar patterns somewhere, probably, let's take it from here to here, okay? Oh, sorry, from here to here, and I want to take it from here to here and just use it somewhere here. Let me see where it is matching. Yeah, something like this. If I put something like this, you see, very nice, very nice. It matches the first, you know, because we are, you know, humans. Again, we repeat. If you start repeat this 2008, 2011 bull market, you know, and we somewhere here we started, right? And you know, it's very well correlated with all this number with Fibonacci. So 2500, guys. 2500 is a very respectable level, okay, to watch. 2500, and you know, many of them are talking about 2500, 2500, and you see all my Fibonacci, and we are in the middle. You see, it's also very important. You see, in the middle of this trend, you see middle of trend, the bar patterns, the Fibonacci, the trend itself, you know, everything pointed on 2500, okay? So let's mark it. So 2500 is very reasonable. And yeah, it's somewhere next year, you see, somewhere next year probably, you see, we are coming, okay, somewhere in August, July next year we are coming to the top, okay? And this year, you see, this year it shows us that basically we are yeah, oh, sorry, what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's probably maybe it's this year we'll have. Maybe this year, you know, we are coming to this. But again, the timing is hard to predict, you know, we don't know. So what I'm thinking, you know, what may happen, like maybe we'll reach 2500, then we bounce between these Fibonacci lines, then we reach another Fibonacci, then we bounce, and then we reach another Fibonacci, right? This is, but we may overcome, guys, we never know. If they continue to print this money like a crazy, this is what we have. So you see again, numbers are 25, 24, 2500, 32, 3300, and 4100, okay? This is for golds, okay? My predictions. Let's look on for silver, okay? Silver is a wild beast, right? You see it up and down, you know. It's a more, how can I say, it has a much more movements, okay, than gold in both directions, right? It's very, you know, kind of wild, right? So let me clean it and do the same for silver. Okay, so silver. Let's do, first of all, let's do the parallel channel, okay, which is telling me trend, okay. What is my expectation about trend? Okay, a little bit correction, okay. Yep, so trend. Okay, you see we are in the middle of this trend, okay? And let's also mark the vertical line somewhere 2025, middle of 2025. That's what we want to see, okay? Correlated, okay? We are in the middle and we are in an uptrend, okay? And again, you see, when you start to move and back, and now it's very well correlated with this despair zone. You see, you go up, and then, man, I need to sell everything. First sell off. You know, despair, you know, like, we need to sell the bear trap, okay? And this is what's going on. And now, second piece, I want to do a Fibonacci. Fibonacci, I love the most. So let's take Fibonacci from, yeah, from high and low, okay? High and next low. And let's see where we are with Fibonacci. And again, we are looking into three golden numbers. 1618, 2618, and 3618, okay? Will you reach these numbers? No one knows, but with high probabilities I'm talking about. Voila, around $75, guys. You see, around $75. I need to correct a little bit. Yeah, around $75. This is, yeah, and this number. 75, 112, and 152. Okay, these are the numbers I'm watching. Nice. Okay, so, and last one, I want to take the bar pattern, okay? And let's take the bar pattern from previous bull run, right? And let's put it here, and let's see where we are. You know, from previous bull run. You see, I put on a low. Wow, how it's well correlated. You see, $75. $75. It's so well correlated, right? $75, and it shows us that it probably happened in next year, somewhere in the middle of next year. Okay, so the timing is hard to predict, guys, because you know timing it's more or less the targets. Okay, the targets is more easy to predict, but timing is hard. But in this year, next year, $75, it's like no brain. You see, based on all this, you know, criteria. You see, this is the top trend, guys. You see, first of all, let me mark this line. You see, the top trend is our friend. The Fibonacci 1618 level, okay, and the previous trend, how bull market between 2008 and 2011 was run. And if we copy this bull market, guys, $75. This is the first target, okay. So you know, like when you see it, you can use it, guys, right? How you can use it? You can say $75 probably will be very high resistance, right? It may probably go like before it went to $46, right? So if you like want to play, you can resell some of the silver, rebought some of silver. But again, this is a fishy game. It will never happen, may happen, right? But it's like for you, just additional opportunity to see where we are, okay? With a high, very high, not your financial advisor, but with very high probability, I see this year, next year, $75, okay, for silver. And this year, next year, something around 2,500, okay, for gold. Which is makes sense, like 25% is gold, but silver is more volatile. Silver may go to $75. Okay, so let me mark it here. So we are talking about $75 in silver. Okay, but again, this is a middle term. Okay, the more long term is 120 based on Fibonacci, right? And then 150. This is a more long trend. Probably will happen somewhere in 2024-25 if you continue bull market, okay? And the gold, as I say, it's 2,500, 3,200, 4,200. I personally not much in gold, maybe 5%, 10%, but majority I am in silver, okay? Physical silver, guys, okay? So Silver Game of Thrones was with you trying to predict next up to 2005, 3 years. Right, next 3-4 years, you know, what will happen in a silver gold market. And I'm using, you know, whatever the best of the best. The trend, the bar pattern, and Fibonacci, okay? So this is telling me with high probability, this is my target, okay? Accumulate when we can, still can, okay? Use any dips to accumulate. And guys, it's very nice. I was buying silver when it was here, guys. I was buying on $12. But physically it was like 17, 18, okay? So amazing, like $20, you know, my average silver costs $22, guys, because I buy premium all day, okay, premium. And, you know, the bars, you know, so $20 and it will be $75. So it's like 4 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1 average. Not bad, guys. Okay, and remember, this is not speculation, okay? This is protection. And even you see it protection because inflation is going on. So you just want to invest in a money which can protect you from all upcoming events, you know. So be smart, okay? Invest, you know, with a smart head. Do your analytic skill analysis like I am doing. I'm not your financial advisor, just show you possibilities. And if you like, subscribe, share, hit notification, and all the best, guys. I wish you all the best, okay? Be smart, okay? Don't fail all in, don't fail all out, okay? You know, dollar cost average. All the best, bye bye.